Hello and welcome to our video. Today we'll be having a look at this and taking it apart. This is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. As you can see, this one is a bit bent. Fortunately that is broken. I've had a couple cables very lately that is quite loose. So we'll be taking it apart and having a look what's inside. At least if I can. Let's first just cut the ends off. As you can see inside the cable, there's 4 wires. They're very fine wires. I would have thought there would have been more, given the fact that there's quite a lot of pins in there, but maybe it's because it's just a Type A cable, maybe it's this direct path-through or something, I'm not exactly sure. It's white, black, red and green, it looks like. Obviously it'd be the same way anywhere in it. I'll put this cable to the side. And we've got the ends. Start with the USB-C end. Let me squash this all in pretty thick plastic. That's just a regular USB-A end. Let's put it in there. And that's very, very hard. But this side, there we go. We can get a better look in there. It's 4 pins. They look like they're made out of brass. Maybe it's just copper plated steel or something, I'm 100% sure, but it looks like brassy sort of colour. Let's see if we can do the same with this piece. Let's squeeze that. Okay, so the bottom part sort of come undone and it's broken apart the inside. There's plastic in there and then it's see the contacts. It might be easy to just pull out. Okay, so when we pull that out, we pulled off the metal piece on the outside, but the actual pins are still here, even if they're not in the best shape. Maybe they might even be gold plated. I'm not sure, maybe actually the colour's a bit off, so maybe just glass those in here. Got these little plastic pieces over the pins. Those pins in there. I'm not sure if there's any controller chips or anything in here. I try just pulling on the pins, pull them directly out, see what happens. So it's starting to come out. A few bits shooting out. So basically just pull the plastic cover off the ends of those, but it's just silver pins here. So there they are. If you look inside, I can't really see anything else. So not sure if there is anything. Let's pull on these again, see if anything else happens. I guess one thing we could do is figure out what metal these are, but it's just plated or not. It is using a magnet. So here is a magnet. They're not magnetic, so maybe they are glass. I don't see anything else in here, so maybe it's just those pins. So I'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and issues, subscribe so you can see videos like this in the future.